in the shop, we have a friend of mine's Samurai buggy-ish thing. It's got the Samurai 1.3 liter in it, Toyota axles, locked front and rear, 40-inch sticky treps. It has a modified radius arm in the front and a wishbone 3-link in the rear. It's got automatic in it, Suzuki case with 6.5 gears in it. We're gonna put the Sky Manufacturing rear disc brakes on it because it currently doesn't have any brakes. He just bought it a couple of weeks ago. He's going out on a ride here in about 2 weeks for Labor Day. He didn't have time to mess with it. So I brought it over to my new shop with my new lift. And we're gonna get it picked up and we're going to just check it over. It's got a few minor things wrong with it that I know of, just pulling it in and out off the trailer. But first we're gonna start with doing the rear brakes. I've never messed with the Sky Manufacturing disc setup, so I'll go over that and hopefully it should be pretty easy. While all the axles are out, I got new bearings and seals and things that are gonna go on it at the same time. So follow along, I'll show you all how it goes. Should be pretty easy. So here's the final product on the Sky Manufacturing disc brakes for the Toyota. It's got a bolt-on bracket, and these are 80s Gbody Chevrolet calipers, and the rotors are, I think they were late 90s Chevrolet truck calipers that have been bored out on the center. The bracket bolts on. I believe it's meant to have up here in the front, but we wanted it for clearance, so we put it up here. We just used braided lines with the JIC on them. They're -3 AN fittings, and then just dropped it down from up here with a short line. It's pretty easy. We had it out a couple of weeks ago. The brakes sucked because it was using the factory Samurai master cylinder, and now we have gone ahead and upgraded the master cylinder to a Subaru, so it's a 1 1/16 bore versus what the Samurai factory was, and it should do a lot better with the 40s on this thing. We'll see in a couple of weeks when we go to the fall run. That's pretty much it for the upgrades on the brakes on this thing. I mean, it came in, we didn't have any brakes on it at all, so any brakes are better than no brakes. So that's it with this.